Hi, this is Dr. Bragg from the Spine Orthopedic Pain Center in Norfolk, Virginia, with a tip for a pain-free Friday. As you start doing your spring cleaning, I want to remind you that after vacuuming, your back pain can become worse. So, when doing this household chore, I recommend that you put all of your weight on the back foot, then step forward with the other foot as you push the vacuum cleaner forward and back. Use the back foot as a pivot when turning and when performing your household chores. If you take this advice and avoid twisting your back, you should be able to clean your home without hurting your back while vacuuming. Now, please subscribe to my YouTube and also go to my website, knockoutpain.com, for additional information. I'll be back next week with another tip for a pain-free Friday.